Hey, what's up, guys? Imagine this. IBM just made a major move in the tech world by acquiring HashiCorp. I know, right? It's huge. So let's break down why this is such a game changer. First up, IBM is no stranger to innovation. They've been around for over a century, constantly evolving and adapting. But by bringing HashiCorp into the fold, they're not just adding another notch to their belt, they're supercharging their cloud computing capabilities. HashiCorp, if you're not familiar, is a big name in infrastructure automation. Think Terraform, Vault, Consul, tools that tech giants rely on to manage complex cloud environments. With this acquisition, IBM is essentially getting a treasure trove of tools and expertise to bolster their cloud offerings. So, what does this mean for the future? Well, for starters, it could lead to more seamless integration of services, faster deployment times, and better security in cloud environments. IBM's customers will likely see a significant boost in efficiency and reliability. And let's not forget about innovation. This merger could pave the way for new groundbreaking solutions in the cloud space. Imagine the possibilities when you combine IBM's robust infrastructure with HashiCorp's cutting-edge tools. The potential is mind-blowing. But it's not just about the tech. This move signals IBM's commitment to staying at the forefront of the industry. They're not just playing catch-up, they're setting the pace. And that's something every tech enthusiast can get excited about. So there you have it. IBM acquiring HashiCorp is more than just a business deal. It's a game changer for the tech world. Keep your eyes peeled because the future of cloud computing just got a whole lot brighter. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon for more tech updates. Catch you in the next one.